Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on the feature to make your Xiaomi phone flash when you are getting a call. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, scroll down and select Apps. In Apps, select System App Settings. Next, select Call Settings. In Call Settings, select Incoming Call Settings. Here, enable the toggle next to Flash when ringing. When that is on, the flash on your camera will pulse when you receive calls. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.